Okay, everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make house design, large house design. Anyway, you can set the dimension of the house by following this dimension anyway. So you can follow this. You can set any dimension. Then you have to push it up. Maybe it's around 200 or 300 millimeter. Just make it group, and then you can set the basic shape of this level anyway. You can set the basic shape. Okay, and then you have to push and pull on the top for 3000 millimeter, and you can just make the basic shape again. Just offset, just push to the top and just make it group. Then you can make a basic shape right here. Okay, maybe you can push it up again. Maybe you can push it up around 6000 millimeter. Then you can make this. You can make a shape, basic shape again right here. Maybe around 3000 millimeter only. Then you have to make it group, and then you can set the in this position you can set about the swimming pool. For the first, you can set the swimming pool design. If you feel it's too small, you can adjust it again. You can adjust it again. Okay, maybe you can set the swimming pool design right here, maybe for something like this, and then you can set the height maybe around like this, and then make it group. Then you can make just offset it inside. You can offset it inside maybe around this. You can set this the depth of the swimming pool, or okay, you can set the depth of the swimming pool anyway with just a basic shape, maybe around like this. So you can set it. Maybe you can set this dimension, and you can set this. You can set the material anyway. So you can set the material with tile. You can set this tile material for the swimming pool, and then you can set the brightness of the color of the pool. Then you can set this basic shape to make a water. Then you can select a water material anyway. You can select the water material with this. Okay, and then you can adjust. You can adjust this wall to make a large wall, as large as possible. You can push it to the back here. Okay, and then you can set the rectangle to make a glass. It's just basic shape anyway. So you have no doubt for the detail for this step. You can adjust it, and then you can set the color of the glass anyway. You can set the color of the glass. Okay, and after that you can set the opening, the door opening. set the door opening anyway. Then you can set the glass material also right here, and then just push it to the appropriate position. Okay, and just make it assign material. Then you can adjust again. Okay, you can adjust it again with the box material right here to make more exploration right here. You have to explore again about the shape. Okay, and after that you can offset it, and then you can push it to the back. Okay, it's just for simple push, and then you can move it, maybe something like this. Okay, and then you can set it to be a glass material anyway, to make to be a lot of glass material in this area maybe. Okay, it's just for basic shape anyway, to make idea. Okay, so you will about the basic shape of the upper floor anyway. Then you can use a line to make a thickness of the glass material right here. Then you have to push it up. Okay, you have to push it up and just make it group and just assign glass material. Then you have to assign it. Then you have to make it group. Just assign them another component to this. Okay, and then you can set the stick material right here. You can assign the stick material right here, and you can set the thickness maybe for just small thickness only. Then you have to set the color, just make it component, just create it. Then you can move and press Ctrl it to this distance, and then you can divide into the 3/ and press enter. And then you can copy it to the another appropriate position of this house anyway. You can copy to the position. Okay, and then you can copy to another position again. Okay, maybe right here. Okay, maybe you can see about the position, and then you can set another frame. You can adjust the another frame anyway. Then you can duplicate it to the another appropriate position anyway. And then you can adjust the bottom construction again. You can adjust this bottom construction, and then you can okay, maybe you can adjust to make a basic stair right here. Okay, maybe you can adjust to the basic stair, and then you can push it up around 180 millimeter. Then you have to make it group. Just make it component, just create it, then just select move and press Ctrl, then X and 20, for example, so you can see about the stair design anyway. Then you have to select move, okay, and then you can adjust. Okay, and then you can adjust it, and you have to delete for this position, and then you can move it down to make appropriate position anyway of this stair. Okay, so you can control it. Okay, maybe you can select another color of this building, because I suggest you to make this color to make it more perfect. Anyway, you can set the material, so you can set the pool deck anyway, and then you can set the landscape anyway for just basic shape. You can set the landscape area, and you can adjust this landscape area also. So you can select this, and then you can select a line to make a railing on the rooftop anyway, and then you can set the thickness. You can select the thickness around 1100 millimeter only. Just select it, then you can move and press Ctrl it. Okay, and after that you can set the component. You can make a component or silhouette component maybe. Okay, and this is enough. I feel it would be more representative to make a concrete material for just you can set this, and then you can set the sloping line right here. You can set the sloping line with this. Then you can make a move. You can make a movement, duplicate it to make it more representative. Okay, I think it is enough. I hope it will be a basic shape for making a more detailed building, and wait for my next video. Thank you.